pack that we've been keeping on our drawer for over 3 months, I guess. Yeah, 3 months. So, Scarlet and Violet, another code cards for my brother. One from the back to the front. And it's a basic leap energy. I hoping to be ano. And okay. Just a normal, but hoping to get a good one.
Ano baka yun yung sa reverse na?
Okay.
Gusto na reverse holo.
So yeah. We're hoping. Muriel. Monkey. Do we have this monkey?
Wala pa ata yun.
Delibird. Oh, super rad. Mabosstiff or Mabosstiff. Pupitar. Flamingo, as a flamingo bird. And a reverse holo Mastiff. Okay. A reverse holo Slackoth and I holo Scalarge. So nothing good on this pack, but